Ready for the ultimate nature challenge? Which tree produces coconuts? Option C. Coconut tree. What part of a plant absorbs water from soil? Option D. Roots. Which plant gas is essential for human breathing? Option B. Oxygen. What green substance helps leaves make food? Option A. Chlorophyll. Which giant plant holds the title for fastest growth? Option B. Bamboo. What is a forest of dense evergreen trees called? Option C. Taiga or boreal. Which flower turns its head towards the sun? Option D. Sunflower. What is the hard protective outer layer of a tree trunk? Option A. Bark. Which tree is known for its sprawling aerial roots? Option C. Banyan tree. What do trees release during the day? Option D. Oxygen. Which tree species yields syrup from its sap? Option A. Maple tree. What is a young plant developing from a seed called? Option B. Sprout or seedling. Which desert plant stores large amounts of water? Option C. Cactus. What sticky liquid oozes out of pine trees? Option C. Sap. Which tree drops its leaves every autumn season? Option B. Deciduous. What part carries water from roots to leaves? Option A. Stem. Which tall tree species is native to California? Option A. Redwood. What process do plants use to create food? Option C. Photosynthesis. Which insect pollinates flowers while gathering nectar? Option A. Honeybee. What is the brightly colored part of a flower called? Option B. Petal. Which tree is universally famous for its medicinal leaves? Option A. Neem tree. What falls from oak trees to grow new oaks? Option C. Acorn. Which natural asset forms a rings pattern inside tree trunks? Option B. Growth rings. What type of trees keep green leaves all year long? Option B. Evergreen. Which plant is famous for trapping and eating insects? Option C. Venus flytrap. What do we call a large natural community of flora and fauna? Option A. Biome. Which tree produces sweet aromatic wood used for carving? Option D. Sandalwood. What part of the flower contains pollen grains? Option B. Anther. Which flower blooms floating on freshwater ponds? Option A. Lotus. What protective coverant surrounds a dormant plant seed? Option C. Seed coat. Which plant family produces legumes like beans and peas? Option B. Legumes. What is a dense tropical forest with heavy rainfall called? Option B. Rainforest. Which tree type bears seeds inside cones? Option C. Pine. What chemical compound makes plant cell walls rigid? Option C. Cellulose. Which flower is historically symbolic of Holland? Option B. Tulip. What do we call the process of seeds starting to grow? Option B. Germination. Which tree leaf features on the national flag of Canada? Option C. Maple leaf. What natural agent transfers pollen between flowers? Option A. Wind and insects. Which tree is widely used to produce natural rubber? Option A. Rubber tree. What tiny openings on leaf surfaces allow gas exchange? Option A. Stomata. Which plant produces cocoa beans for making chocolate? Option B. Cacao tree. What process involves water evaporating from plant leaves? Option C. Transpiration. Which tree species thrives in salty coastal waters? Option C. Mangrove. What is the main food source stored inside a plant seed? Option A. Endosperm. Which flower is famous for its sharp protective thorns? Option C. Rose. What is a group of trees growing closely together called? Option A. Grove. Which tree produces small red berries used in tea? Option B. Hawthorn. What do we call non-flowering plants like ferns and mosses? Option B. Gymnosperms. Which tree's flexible wood is historically used to make bows? Option A. Willow. What essential element do plants fix from soil via bacteria? Option B. Nitrogen. Top comments will get greetings in our next video. Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun quizzes and new challenges every time.